It's me again, Dr. Ivan, diagnosis specialist from European Veterinary Center in Dubai. This time we would like to speak about one very common problem that we're encountering every day here in our facility, at least in this region. It's regarding these wonderful birds. This is Tim, African grey parrot. So the most common problem that they are having is related to the bad diet, bad nutrition. Mainly we are speaking about low vitamin A in that food. And the most common problem that they will start showing is that they will start having problem with the eyes. There will be tears, eyes will be swollen, red, sometimes very much swollen, disturbingly swollen. They can start having nasal discharge, they can start coughing, sneezing, sometimes they stop vocalizing. All of that is mainly because of low vitamin A in their diet, which is causing their respiratory tract to be very much prone to get infected. Most commonly, these birds are fed with only sunflower seeds, which is wrong. That is the reason why they don't have enough of vitamin A, amongst other things. So we are here today just to speak a little bit about that major recommendations regarding their nutrition and some other things. So grey African parrot needs to eat mixed seed food. That is very important, not only sunflower seeds, and even more important, they need to eat fruits and vegetables. You can go on the internet, ask Google, they will give you the printed list of good fruits and vegetables that you need to offer daily to your bird. This is very important. Doing this, you will prevent those complications regarding eye infection, conjunctivitis, rhinitis, and everything else. Tim came 7 days ago with the same problem, and as you can see, he's doing perfectly fine after a couple of days of treatment. He's going home with all this recommendation as well for Tim's owner. So to finalize the story with a couple of tips, so mixed seed foods, fruits and vegetables. Additionally, to make him happy, and if the bird is happy, he or she will be also healthy. They need a big cage. That cage needs to be on the higher position because birds like to watch the world from above. That makes them feel safe. Cage needs to be covered every night, 10 to 12 hours, with some light fabric like my coat. They need these fruits and vegetables, and the most important thing, they need interaction. They are very socialized creatures, and for them to be healthy, they need to be happy, and they cannot be happy if no one is speaking or spending time with them. So this is the most common problems that we are encountering that the owners are not aware of. So by knowing this, by changing that, you will have one very healthy and happy parrot like Kimis. That's it for now. See you next time.